Currently, the Information Systems Association, also known as ISA, website is hard to navigate, hard to maintain, and takes up storage space on Cal Poly servers. Our team,
Matt,
Tiffany,
and Brianna,
is ready to change this. We want the Cal Poly Information Systems Association, as the technology representatives of the Orfalea College of Business, to have a website that is not only technically adept, but visually impressive.
We plan on building a system using Google Sites, which will incorporate new cloud computing technology making space on Cal Poly servers. It will also make data easier to maintain. We will also manage our design of the system so that the website will be more user-friendly, ultimately leading to more website traffic and ISA involvement.
Our main process is the ISA management system, and external entity is students who will put their information into that system. This will result in student members being informed about upcoming events. Our system will have a student external entity. The student will input their information through an online application on the ISA website, and then the system will check the student member database to see if that student already exists. If she or he does exist, the student will be told that they are already a member of ISA. If she or he does not exist, the student will be created by an officer, and that student's information will be stored in the student member information database. From there, member information will be accessible, and members' emails will be used to inform members of upcoming ISA events.
In conjunction with the member emails being sent to the event creating process is the company sponsor info from its store. The most current and updated company data store is used by an officer that updates current members on upcoming events. All of the information from the company data store and the member emails from the student member store is used to update members. In addition, the officer updates the event calendar of upcoming meetings, which is stored in the calendar. The calendar data store is then accessed by the officer to update members for future meetings. So the creation of the company sponsor is very similar to the creation of the student member. The only difference is that the error message. Since the company does not need to apply for an account through our ISA website, no error message should be generated. The officer is the one responsible to add a non-existent company. How this process works is the company, as an external entity, gives the officer company information, and then the officer checks that information from the data store to see if the company exists. If the company already exists, then the officer does not need to update the company store. However, if the company does not exist, then the officer needs to create a new company account and update the company store. All of the current and most updated company store information goes to the event creating process.
the member entity has an unary relationship because they can also become officers. However, one must be a member in order to become an officer. An event must be scheduled by one officer, and an officer can schedule many events or no events. Each event can have up to one company sponsor or may have none, because sometimes ISA officers hold internship workshops when companies cannot speak. Company information can be added to the database without having spoken at an event. The current ISA website is hard to maintain, so having cloud-based technology would make all these processes more efficient.